Hello, sir. Happy birthday. Happy birthday po.
Makuratan.
Nakuratan ka, sir?
Oo.
Hmm.
Yan ang asawa, di ba?
Ay, may pa-chocolate. Okay, si ma'am. Ano ay? Ay, balloons. Okay.
Salamat kayo.
Sir, si ma'am na mensahe para sa imo. Ingon siya, happy birthday po to have you as a husband and make you the father of our child is the best decision I have ever made in my life. No regrets, and if I could turn back time, it will still be you that I'll choose to be with for the rest of my life. Thank you for making me feel like the best version of myself every single day, even we are in our very lows. I appreciate you more than you know. We love you, I love you, and I hope that you have the happiest and wonderful birthday. God may be with you always. From your very Aldita and Modi wife.
Thank you.
Oh, sir. Message niyo ba para kay ma'am?
Ako na-expect
I know, right?
Na-surprise?
surprise to.
Wow.
Sabi na ko nasa laag lang ba? Mali.
Nag-effort din si ma'am, no?
Salamat kayo.
Oh, gwapa kayo si wifey, oh.
Model.
Murag siya ang by birthday, sir ba? Okay, sige. Sir, mag-blow sa tag-candle. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Sir, birthday wish. Birthday wish.
Salamat tayo na secret.
Okay. Sige, sir. Blow your candle. Yay! Happy birthday! Ma'am, last message para kay sir.
Last message ko dito.
Oo.
Ito message.
Ah.
Naman na siya.
Sige. So, ang sa'yo response ni sir?
Tagay kayo salamat sa inyong efforts.
Murag may lakman.
Kaya salamat sa inyo.
Happy?
Happy kayo.
Wow, okay. Nabay sunod daw. Kiss na sa birthday boy. Oh, yay! Happy birthday! Oh.